Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be guiding you how to use make.com with ChatGPT. So let's just get with this. So you can see we have this option which is asking about which of these popular platform you're planning to use in your automations, and from this section this is when you simply sign up onto the platform. It is going to be showing up, so you need to select in here OpenAI ChatGPT, and once we do that you simply need to click on continue. You can see you can type in here the apps as well. You can see you can type in here the prompt that you want to make. Let's just say I want to automate social media posts, just like that, and click on get started, and then it is going to be analyzing everything that you sent it, and dashboard is going to be according to that. So basically this is the key factor that how you can use your make.com with your chat gpt. Also, you can head over to the link in the description to get 1 month free on pro plan, and it is going to be helping you guys a lot. So make sure to give it a try, because that is going to be helping you with your automations and simply performing different tasks automatically.